What's up everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to swap from USDT on Avalanche to USDT on the Ethereum network using MetaMask. So first thing you want to do is head on over to the depouch.com domain. Make sure you're on the right website. Next, go ahead and press swap now, swap up here, then press connect wallet, choose Avalanche and choose MetaMask because we're swapping from USDT on the Avalanche network to USDT on the Ethereum network. So next up, go ahead and find your USDT on Avalanche. So it's right here. I could also just go out here and press Avalanche right here and then find the coin. Then again, USDT, I want it on the Ethereum network. So press Ethereum. Next, let's paste in our destination address. So I know this is the address I want. So under my transaction list here, I can see my previous transactions and I know this is the correct address. So let's take that and paste that in. Next, I just want to trade an amount. So I'll just trade it all. Why not? Okay, so there we go. Then we can see if we press swap, the transaction right here. Now the slippage is a bit high, but that's because we're only swapping $4 and there's about 25 cents in outbound fee, but that's okay. This is just a demonstration video. So let's go ahead and press confirm swap. So there we go. First, we need to approve the spending of the USDT. So go ahead and press confirm. Let's actually just change the network fee to aggressive. You can also see here that we recommend setting a high swap fee to ensure a smooth swap. So let's go ahead and just put in a higher fee, then press confirm. Then it says submitting transaction. Then we just have to wait a few seconds. Then we need to send the tokens. So again, check everything, all looks good. Let's change the fee again to aggressive and press confirm. So now it's submitting the transaction. So we just have to wait a few seconds. There we go. Now we should see it shortly. There we go. Now it's updated. So you can see down here in our transaction list that we're swapping the USDT on Avalanche to USDT on Ethereum. So now we just have to wait a few seconds for the swap to be completed. So there we go. Now the swap has been completed. We can see here our status have changed. So let's go ahead and check our Ethereum address. And indeed, we can see here that we have received some USDT. I know the token balance has gone up, but we can also check on the token transfers that we have indeed here received the USDT amount, which corresponds to the USDT amount here. So that's it. That's how you swap from USDT on Avalanche to USDT on Ethereum using the depouch cross-chain DEX. Thanks for watching.